Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and I have some good news if you want to monetize your content on YouTube, but your channel has not yet met the eligibility requirements. YouTube is rolling out a new fan funding only partnership level that has lower subscriber and watch time or shorts view requirements. Back in September 2022, YouTube announced their plans to expand the YouTube Partner Program to more creators. First, instead of requiring 4,000 hours of valid public watch time in the past year, creators can also qualify for the YouTube Partner Program by having 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. At least 1,000 subscribers are required either way. The 4,000 public watch hours excludes views on shorts, so this change gives shorts creators a new way to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Shorts ad revenue sharing launched in February. In that announcement back in September, YouTube also promised to support creators who are earlier in their YouTube journey with a fan funding partnership level with easier eligibility requirements. And that is now launching. The new requirements are 500 subscribers rather than 1,000, 3 public uploads in the past 90 days, either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year rather than 4,000, or 3 million valid public shorts views in the past 90 days rather than 10 million, and no active community guideline strikes. I'll note that this is especially good for shorts creators and newer YouTubers with a fair amount of watch time, but not that many subscribers yet. After your channel reaches eligibility, you can connect an AdSense account and have your channel reviewed to make sure it meets the YouTube Partner Program policies. This new fan funding level will give access to channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. These supers are like a tip jar in either live stream chats or video comments. And you can promote your own products with YouTube Shopping. So you can start earning money. And then when your channel meets the full YouTube Partner Program requirements, you won't have to go through the full application process again to start earning from ad revenue sharing and YouTube Premium subscriptions. Note that this update will not affect channels that are currently in the YouTube Partner Program. So how can you apply? Check the Earn tab in your channel's YouTube Studio. This will first be available to creators in the US, the UK, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea. YouTube plans to eventually make this option available in all countries where the full YouTube Partner Program is available. If you want to know when it's available to you, go to the Earn tab in your YouTube Studio and select the option to get notified, or look for an announcement from YouTube. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips, news, and updates.